What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode where today we're going to be working on the 350Z. We are back in the OG garage. We also got the Accord right here and we have a go-kart across the Accord. But today we're going to be finishing up my front lip round 2. We were cruising down the canyons and my front lip literally flew off because I hit a really big pine cone in the middle of the road. It kind of just looks like it's missing something in the front. I'm not really digging it. So I already went ahead and sanded down the parts I will be wrapping. Again, since this is like fiberglass, wrap doesn't like to stick on it very much. A lot of people don't get why I leave the middle untouched and just wrap the sides, but you can see from the shape of my front bumper, we have a similar concept where the middle part is literally just the black grille and then the sides go down. So I wanted to continue that so it gives the effect of it looking lower. It looked great when I had it on initially, but of course I ran it over literally the second day. But that's not the main part of this video. We also have a street arrow diffuser I will be installing on my 350Z, but let's begin wrapping. I finally finished this side and now we're gonna be working all the way on the other side. Not gonna record it, just gonna finish it up and then let's get to installation. Day 2, finished off yesterday, fully wrapping the front lip, and now I am opening up the screws that are included in the eBay front lip. Well, who's gonna come back? Oh, thank you. Thanks so much. Okay, so we got 2 L brackets, not L brackets, but like 2 double L brackets, and I'm gonna be putting these under the front lip for extra support. These really help when you're installing the front lip.
Here, I'll come hold it. I'll hold it and you look at what I'm doing.
Okay. Good?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna carefully slide mine up. Mine's all the way up. Nice. We got 1 screw in. I'm gonna put in the double L brackets later on the bottom of the front lip because I gotta get going. This is probably like my 5th outfit change within the duration of 6 minutes. It's been raining these past 4 days, so I haven't been able to get any work done on the Z. But we got some sunshine today, and for those of you guys who want to keep telling me to go lower, come on. However, I am still listening to you guys and I will go lower just to make you guys happy. I am working with ST Suspensions to get some coilover so I can continuously adjust my ride height, and I'm also part of their Make Yours program, so I get to fully customize the coils, and it's gonna be in about 3 to 4 weeks. They're kind of on back order, but I can't wait to show you guys what I came up with. Let's get these ramps out of the way because they're basically useless. I was gonna use my Pro Lift jack kit, but it's all the way in Arizona. Let's spend an hour trying to jack up the Z because this is the only thing that's gonna fit under my car, and it actually came from the Camry. So what we're gonna be doing right now is jacking up the car and fully securing the front lip because it's only screwed on these sides. SMH, guys. What is this? Literally, I have to do this for every turn. Don't look at the bottom of my wrap, you know it's not that good. So this is the pre-cut hole, and basically I take, and there's my underglow from Lit Lights, but basically I take this double L bracket, I put it on top over here so it will sit directly on the bottom of my front bumper. All screws are finally secured in, and now I'm gonna lower the car. Yeah, I'm gonna lower the car, put the front grille on that was powder coated by Broken Studs. Shout out to him because it looks a lot better now. So before we get started on the diffuser install by Street Arrow, as you guys can see, I'm gonna quickly take this on a car wash just because I want the back bumper to be clean before installations. You can see me. And look at the reflection. Whoa. We have finally made it to the Street Arrow installation. Let's just quickly unbox it. Okay, so I got a bunch of foamy things, but ooh, I also got a shirt. Nice, nice. Ooh, it says Team Street Arrow in the back. I dig it. That's one part. Alright, let me see. That's that. Guys, I got stickers. That's all I wanted. That's all I paid for, literally. But we get that in the box, and then we also get a bag of screws. So these are numbered by stickers, so that does make it a little bit easier. So we do have the main platform, as I already mentioned, and I believe this one goes like right here. We just align the numbers, and then we have number 2, which sits on like that, or maybe like that. No, I think like that. I don't know what this is, guys. What are these? That's it for the diffuser, because basically the exhaust tips go in here. This is basically what it looks like before we screw it on. These aren't secured on because we're basically gonna self-tap into my back bumper. So it's gonna be secured on very well. And if you guys are wondering, this is what the back of my 350Z looks like without a diffuser. I did have an eBay diffuser on before, but it looked pretty cheap and I did not like it, so I took it off. Let me try. Huh? Car? Yeah. That's a sexy ass car. Thanks. Thank you. And now I'm going to be doing the same thing on this side. There's no pre-cut holes for this because everyone's fitment is a little bit different on each Z depending on what you have done, if you have mud guards or stuff like that. So I'm gonna have to self-tap into this and then self-tap into my rear bumper. Here goes nothing, I guess. I want it to sit like this, basically. I don't know how you just went for it. Wow, there we go. Yay! Alright, so that's what that looks like. That looks cool. Yeah, it looks really cool, I agree. It is getting darker, so I'm gonna finish up the other side real quick, but I just wanted to quickly mention the one thing that I really appreciate and like about Street Arrow is how free you are when it comes to installing it. You know, you might have a certain modification that they didn't account for, so they're very easily customizable. As you guys saw, I basically assembled the diffuser by myself, and then I'm putting it back on the car. You guys ready for the reveal? I am super duper happy with the way it turned out, you guys. It looks pretty aggressive. I also love how the diffuser is part of the dual exhaust system and it basically hugs the exhaust tips. It gives it a more uniform look. So I just love the way it turned out, you guys. And look at the diffuser with the underglow on. So the underglow is from Lit Lights. I've already posted an installation video on that. There's over 120 modes for the lights, but I just wanted to show you guys what the diffuser looks like with the underglow. Now it adds a bunch of sharp lines that weren't there before, so that's really cool. And 1 week later, we have finally completed the end of this video. I really want to know your guys' opinion on the diffuser. I will also link it in the description if you guys have a 350Z and want it. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace. Say bye.
Bye.